Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold hits new record on trade war concerns. Gold keeps smashing records. Gold climbs to new heaven on tariff worries and uptick in key inflation measure. Gold traded at yet another record high early on Friday as investors moved to the metals safe haven amid US President Donald Trump's tariff wars, while a key US inflation measure rose more than expected last month. And this is the chart of gold, and we can see that gold closed at the resistance of 3085. And it is clear to us that this market is super bullish again. And what is the reason? Safe haven demand. Okay, safe haven demand is still dominating the market, as a result of which we can see that gold is flying. Sky is the limit. So my dear friend, if you have any buy on gold right now, hold your buy position, because nobody knows, okay, where gold is going, okay, whether it is going to 3200, 3500. Yes, there is a possibility that on 2nd April, when Donald Trump will be declaring tariffs, okay, that day we may see some retracement on gold. Otherwise, this chart is crazy bullish. So hold your buy position with your stop losses below 3050. Okay. And if you are stuck in a sell right now, my dear friend, you need to exit immediately, because if you do not respect the trend of the market will throw you out. Almost every day I receive many emails and messages where people share screenshots of their sell positions from 2900, 2800, 3000 level. And my dear friend, okay, if you fail to respect the trend of the market will not spare you. Keep that in mind. Okay, so whenever you get a chance, okay, please try to exit, because this market is super bullish, both fundamentally and technically. And those who are looking for fresh position in a market, you know what to do here. We need to buy at dip, the same strategy that we have been following for the last couple of weeks and months, because gold is super bullish. So buying at dip or buying at retracement is always the safer thing to do here. For example, in this scenario, okay, we have two possibilities. After the market opening, gold will be coming down or gold will be going up. That's it. So if gold comes down, then obviously we have a higher possibility of making money, isn't it? For example, if you go to the market, okay, if you go to the market, then obviously you always try to get the discounted price, best price, isn't it? For anything. Okay. Similarly, here also, if you want to take a buy position, what do you want? You want the best price, the discounted price. So here the discounted price or the best price will be at dip or at retracement. Okay, but sometimes probably you have seen that when you try to negotiate, when you try to bargain, the shopkeeper says, no, it's fixed price. Okay, you cannot bargain here. In that case, okay, we are helpless. We pay the price the shopkeeper asks. So here, if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we will have to buy at breakout. So either buy at retracement or buying at breakout, ERD. Two things we need to follow here. That's it. And those who are planning to sell here, please be careful, because selling in this situation can give you a adrenaline rush. But if you're looking for money, then it is better and safer for you to be on the buy side only. Remember the example, street fight example. Let's say there are two gangs fighting. Okay, two gangs fighting, and one gang, okay, gang A, okay, has 100 goons. Okay, street fighters. Okay, and on the other side there are only 10 goons. So if you want to take a side, obviously, okay, if you pick the side of the bigger gang, 100 gang members, you have a higher chance of, okay, you have a higher chance of saving yourself, isn't it? If you take the side of the 10 goons, okay, 10 gang members, then there's a high chance that you will be beaten up very badly. Here also, if you really want to save yourself and make money, take the buy side. On 2nd April, after 2nd April, if things change, that's a different story. But right now, while recording the video, market is bullish, so it's better and safer for us to be on buy side only. Okay, now where are the trading opportunities then? Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, if you already have a buy, hold your buy position with your SL below 3050. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, buying at retracement or buy at dip are the best trading strategies. Remember the levels that we discussed yesterday? Those levels are still very much valid. 3054 to 3054 is the best level where we can look for a buy position if market comes down. If market shows deeper correction, retracement, this is the level where we can look for a buy position. Both as a day trader, swing trader, position trader, because market is not coming down. I do not want to go to the weekly chart or daily chart. We have been doing this, okay, and those things are not helping us because market is not coming down for proper retracement. So if market comes down to this particular area here, 305450, okay, we can look for a buy position. Remember, why are we considering this? Okay, let me show you if you don't remember. Yesterday when gold dropped, okay, we got a perfect bounce from our level of 306667. Remember that we discussed? The next FIBO level is, you can see, around 3054. Okay, so 3054 is the next support on the chart of gold, and 3050 is also a round number psychological support. Okay, that's why this is the best support on the chart of gold if market shows deeper correction. Okay, and above 3054, okay, we also have another support around 3059 to 3057. We are considering 305957 because of, see, you can, I have made a box here, because the previous resistance will also be acting as support here. Okay, because in a market condition like this, price action works fantastically. So here 305450 undoubtedly the best support, but 305957 is also a very good support. Yesterday, our market, our beloved gold, took support around 3066 area. So next time, okay, if gold comes down, 3066 may not work as a proper support. Rather, you can look for a support around 3063, 3062. Okay, if you're wondering why are we considering 306263, then my dear friend, we need to switch to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, because see, already market has taken support around 306667 twice or thrice. So next time there is a possibility that market may try to hunt down the stop losses. Okay, market may show a spike. It may take support around 306263 and then market may go up. If we need to compare, then this is the best support, 305450. This is the second best support, 305927, and 306667, 306362 are not that great. But if market comes down with low volume, then we can look for a buy around these areas. So on the chart of gold, these are the best levels where we can look for a buy if gold comes down for a retracement after the market opening. But chances of market coming down to these levels are very less because gold is super bullish. So we also need to look for the immediate levels. For this, okay, we are considering this FIBO here. So the next levels that I'm about to discuss right now, okay, are high risk levels. Okay, so listen to me carefully. After the market opening, if you see that gold is coming down with small candles like this, okay, then only you can look for a buy, otherwise just avoid. If you see that there is a surprise in the Monday morning, okay, then forget about these levels and only wait for the market to come down to 3060, 3059, 3050 that we discussed. Okay, otherwise you can look for buy around these areas. So the first high risk buy level will be around 3079. Okay, 3079 is the first levels because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Then we are considering 3075, 3074 because of previous support around this area. Along with that, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Then we have 3071, FIBO 78.6. So these three levels are mostly derived with the help of Fibonacci. So, and you can see that, okay, we are just considering this particular low here. So they are not very strong. They can work if the volume is low. Otherwise, these are high risk levels. If you are an experienced trader, then we can look for buy on these areas. If you're a beginner, new trader, do not gamble with your money. Wait for proper retracement. Clear? So this is the first scenario. Means if gold comes down after the market opening, these are the levels where we can look for a buy position. If market shows deeper correction, then these are the levels. between 306050, where we can look for a buy. If market comes down with very low volume, then we can look for buy around the high risk levels. Clear? Now the second scenario, if market doesn't come down, then okay, let's discuss that also. One thing that I would like to show you here, okay, observe carefully. You can see market from a low, market from another low. So market from 4 lows here. So they are normal lows, okay, but if you look carefully, you can see the market is constantly forming higher lows here. There is a resistance, okay, there is a resistance at the top, and market is constantly forming higher lows. So this looks like an ascending triangle pattern. Yeah, I do not talk much about patterns, but we can clearly see that we have an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Okay, so there is a high chance that after the market opening, market will be trying to go up. If market does that, it will be a breakout. You can look for a buy above 3088. If market goes above 308889, you can look for a buy at breakout as well, because market is constantly forming higher lows and market is indicating that buyers are increasing. And obviously, if buyers are increasing, the sellers around resistance will obviously surrender at one point. So there is a high chance that after a market opening, market may go up. So you can look for a buy at breakout above 3088. And 308889, obviously you can look for a buy, but as you guys already know that buying at retracement is always safer in comparison to buying at breakout. If you do not want to go for a risky breakout, because it can be false breakout as well, isn't it? So what we can do is, after the breakout, okay, you can just leave it and wait for the market to come down. Obviously market will come down, because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. So when market will be coming down, the same level 3086, 3085 will be the new support. So when market will take support, okay, you can buy, because it will be like this, and it will be then a safer level to buy when 308586 will be the new support. Otherwise, okay, there is a high chance that after the market opening, we may see gold going up. So in simple words, there are two possibilities. Obviously, in all the markets, either it will come down or it will go up. If market comes down also because of super bullishness, okay, it will be safer for us to buy at deeper buy at retracement. If market shows deeper retracement, we will look for buy around 3054, 3050, 305957 areas, also 306263. But if market is adamant, arrogant, doesn't come properly, then we can look for buys around the immediate levels, high risk levels like 79, 74 and 71. Clear? And if market doesn't come at all, then we can look for buy above 3088, considering it as a breakout. After 40, 50, 70 pips, if market comes down, then you can look for entry again when the 3086 will be the new support again, because of price action. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, keep in touch with the news, because anything may happen. Okay, any news during the weekend may bring some big moves right at the market opening. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money in spite of knowing all the important or the internet popular concepts. So I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 7 days workshop. Initially, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. And Hindi classes are starting from 4th April. 4 तारीख से शुरू हो रहा है. And English classes are starting from 11th of April. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have stretched for a long period over a 1 month, because learning takes time. If we learn everything at once, we tend to forget. So I have kept gaps so that we can learn and execute, And these are the topics here for the first 3 consecutive classes. No fancy topics. We will just look at the market as it is. We will try to understand the core concepts of the market as it is. And you will also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, lot size calculator, there will be a special session on 3rd April for the residents of India. Because India में legal complications है, there are many things that we need to discuss, and you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis. You will be added to our WhatsApp community. This is our WhatsApp group, and you can see that you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis like this, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market, so that you don't get confused in the morning where to trade and what not to do here. Okay, many people also join because they love to receive these timely market updates, so you're most welcome. Okay, and these are the topics for the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and I record each and every session. So if you're unable to attend also, no need to worry. Okay, you will get a recording. The best part is the fees. For 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. Trading takes time. It's a journey. Okay, so 1 month is also not enough for many people. So if you're looking for personal guidance sessions with me, then you can sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime support as well. In semi-annual support, you'll be receiving 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions. In lifetime support, you'll be part of the group forever. Okay, and you will also be receiving 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubts and ask questions. These are the payment methods. Okay, once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.